Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about sterilization methods. In this topic, we know sterilization introduction, importance of sterilization, methods belongs to sterilization, advantages and disadvantages of sterilization, effects of sterilization, conclusions and future prospects. What is sterilization? This is the process of killing or removing bacteria and all other forms of living organisms and their spares from preparation. Essential concepts in the preparation of sterile pharmaceutical products, which means the killing or removing of the bacteria on living or non-living forms. If you are working with any utensil or any test tube or any gloves or anything, you want to remove the microorganisms on the surface of that utensil or on that glove or whatever it is. Essential concept in the preparation of sterile pharmaceutical products means in the preparation of pharmaceutical products also we need to maintain the proper sterilization, otherwise we'll get contamination. The aim is to provide a product that is safe and eliminates the possibility of introducing. Importance of sterilization. By following sterilization, we prevent the growth of diseases. See, this is the main concept or main objective of the sterilization. If you don't follow the sterilization, we can't even prevent the diseases. They can easily spread out. Now, right now also, we are following that prevention prospects only to avoid the COVID-19 spreading. See, another usage of the sterilization is prevents the spread of diseases. Now, just now we have discussed about that. Prevents double surgeries. If you don't follow the proper sterilization during surgery, the patient will get infected again. The problem will be doubles. The second surgery also the patient needs. To avoid that, we must follow the proper sterilization method. See, these all are the sterilization methods: physical, chemical and mechanical methods. Under physical methods, dry heat sterilization, moist heat sterilization, sterilization by radiation, gamma radiation. Chemical methods, in chemical methods, gaseous sterilization, sterilization by disinfectants. Mechanical sterilization, filtration is one of the best method in the mechanical sterilization. See, under physical methods of sterilization, these three comes under physical methods of sterilization. Dry heat sterilization. For performing dry heat sterilization method, we use the instrument that is oven. For performing moist heat sterilization method, we use autoclave. For radiation, we use gamma rays. How to do dry heat sterilization? Instrument we use for dry heat sterilization is oven. Already we have discussed this. Specially designed instrument, electrically heated and thermostatically controlled. Expose at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. This is dry heat sterilization. Advantage of dry heat sterilization is it is suitable for sterilization of substances destroyed by moisture. Disadvantage is long heating time, high temperature. By applying dry heat method, we cannot sterilize aqua sensitive items or volatile items. Next one, moist heat sterilization. The moist heat sterilization, for the moist heat sterilization, we use autoclave. This is the instrument just like our pressure cooker. Heating process in autoclave, saturated steam under pressure is allowed to penetrate through material for 15 minutes and temperature range is 121 degrees Celsius. At the 121 degrees Celsius temperature, for the 15 minutes time duration, we'll get proper sterilization. This is the best way of sterilization methods. Advantage of this method is microorganisms like killed microorganisms are killed most effectively in lesser time due to high pressure saturated steam. Disadvantage also is there for this equipment, unsuitable for material not withstanding. Temperature of 115 degrees Celsius or more during heating. These two are disadvantages of autoclave. Next one, sterilization by radiation. Two techniques involved in this irradiation. Alteration of chemicals lead to form new compound in cells destroying the microorganisms itself. By penetrating gamma rays or UV rays, the DNA of the microorganism will get damaged. By that damage, the microorganism may get destroyed. Vital structure like nuclear protein are destroyed, killing the microorganism. By destroying of nuclear material along with protein also, it will be destroyed. For example, cobalt-60 used for gamma ray sterilization process. Gamma rays are generally obtained from radioisotope cobalt-60 during integration of the unstable atoms. Kill microorganisms by isolating atoms of essential substance of cells present in them. See, these two are advantages and the disadvantages of the irradiation. No significant rise in temperature. This is one of the best advantage of irradiation. Continuous process due to short exposure time. This is also one of the advantage of the usage of the irradiation. If the item is heat sensitive, we can proceed for irradiation for a proper sterilization. Disadvantage also is there while applying irradiation may lead to color change. The item or product may lead to color change because of the penetration of the short wavelength of the light into that item. Solubility of the preparation leading to decomposition of certain materials. This is also one of the disadvantage while using irradiation. Next, chemical method of sterilization. First one is gaseous sterilization. Ethylene oxide is used as a sterilizing agent. Special type of chemical sterilization using gases and vapor. The gas used is safe and non-inflammable. Sometimes if you work with any alcohol or any other alcoholic agent, it is highly flammable. After working with that, if you go to nearby the flame, it is a chance of a flame accident. So to avoid that, by using this ethylene oxide will be better. Nowadays, ethylene oxide most widely used gaseous sterilization agent in medical sciences. Advantage, it has penetration power quite useful for sterilizing surgical instruments. Disadvantage also is there behind that, very slow sterilization process, very costly equipment. Next, disinfection. Decontamination, removal of microorganisms contaminating an object. This is called decontamination. If any object is contaminated with microorganisms, if you remove those microorganisms, that is called decontamination. Preservation. Prevention of method of microbes caused spoilage of susceptible products, pharmaceutical and foods. What is preservation is duration of the shelf life increasing is known as preservation. Preservation means improving or duration of the shelf life may get increased. Sanitization, removal of microbes that pose a threat to the public health. Food industry, water conditions. Sanitization means removal of the microorganisms from food industry, water conditioning, particularly these areas, if you follow some strategies of sterilization, that is called sanitization. Sanitizer is an agent, usually a detergent, that reduces the number of bacteria to a safe level. This is called sanitization. Now also we are frequently following sanitization because of the COVID-19. Next, mechanical methods. The solution to be sterilized is passed through depth filters or screen filter, which includes particulate filters, microbial filters, final filters. Pharmaceutical solutions are sterilized by this method because they are heat sensitive, they are very radiation sensitive also sometimes. Such kind of materials we sterilize or we maintain the highly sanitization method by following this mechanical method. The microorganisms are physically removed by absorption on the filter medium or by mechanism. Filtration, filling and sealing process are under a specific condition. Sterilization test must be done. See, these all are the future prospects. In the near future, the main challenge as biomedical engineer is to make the sterilization process. See, this is a very important concept for especially for biomedical engineering students. It is not for us. Thank you.